Today's May 2nd. I've been letting my son harvest my white Pakistan for the last week or so. But there's only a few left, and I only get to eat just one out of the whole tree. The small tree had about 20 fruit, and he's gonna harvest from it now because he's getting impatient. Yeah, oh my god. So we're gonna go pick Nana, yum yum yum. Okay, go lady, go ahead. Nah, that one. Yeah, that lady, that one. Lady, that one. Lady, Oh! And it's really that simple. That's how you should eat a white Pakistan mulberry. He did it well. So this one, you see it's getting ripe, but not fully ripe yet. In that sense. And I've been seeing a lot of mislabeled white Pakistan, meaning there are a lot of nurseries selling white Pakistan, but they're just black Pakistan, or not even Pakistan, maybe like a white Morus Alba, or a whole list of wrong label. So a white Pakistan is extremely rare because people don't have the real thing, and so but they're selling it as the white Pakistan. So just wanted to show you, this is a white Pakistan. I bought from many sources, and finally I got one that's actually correct. All the rest are all mislabels. So look, this is the new growth and how big the leaves and how healthy this young grafted tree is. So I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.